Good morning, children. This is moral science section. Okay, standard 3 moral science, lesson 2 love all. Lesson 2 love all. Okay, see the yellow color circle. Values: kindness to animals, kindness to animals. Next, universal love, universal love. And last one is helpfulness, helpfulness. Okay, listen to love all. Okay, see, let's get started. Draw lines to match the pictures with the group of words below. See the words in this pictures below the words. Draw the lines to match the pictures with the group of words below. Okay, first one is caring for plants, isn't it? See the picture, the girl pour the water at the plant. Okay, so that is caring for plant. Okay, and second one, caring for animals. Yes, caring for animals. Okay, third one, caring for the world. Caring for the old. Okay, next, see the lesson. The little house had once been filled with happy voices, songs and laughter. The little house had once been filled with happy voices, songs and laughter. In example, in big family, so many members very live in the big family, right? Very happy, very fun, like that. That is big family, very enjoyment, like that. In this story also, one old lady, okay, one old lady in her house filled with happy voices, songs and laughter once upon a time. Okay, now it's reminder silent. See the picture. This only that is happy. You are seeing this picture that is happy. No, now it's reminder silent. Okay, the old lady and Kamala Di were the only people who lived in it. Only two peoples lived in this house. Okay, who's that? Old lady and Kamala Di. Okay, were the only people who lived in it. Kamala Di looked after the old lady, and that lady who was cooking. No, that lady looked after the old lady. Okay, while Kamala Di was busy in the kitchen. Kamala Di was busy in the kitchen. See the picture. That is Kamala Di in the color set. Okay, she was busy in the kitchen. The old lady sat by the window. The old lady was doing? Sat by the window, watching the days change into nights. Watching the days change into night. Old lady only watching daytime and nighttime change in it. Okay, she was always sad since the day her husband died 2 years ago. She was always sad because her husband died 2 years ago. So she became sad. Okay. One day a little dog strayed inside the house. Okay, he was thin and looked hungry. The dog was very thin and looked very, very hungry. Okay, he went into the old lady's bedroom. The dog went old lady's bedroom, where she sat in her chair by the window. Okay, the dog went to old lady's bedroom, and where she sat in a chair by the window. Okay, the dog sat in front of the old lady. The dog also sat in front of the old lady. He looked at her with this sad. Dog also looked. The old lady is very sad. He looked at her with this sad. So the dog also very sad. Okay, next brown eyes and wagged his tail. The dog eyes is brown and wagged his tail. Okay, shaking his tail. Then he should on his hind legs and waved a paw at her. Okay, Kamala Di asked the old lady, whose dog is this? That that lady Kamala Di asked the old lady, whose dog is this? Okay, it is a street dog, Amaji. It is a street dog, Amaji. He is hungry, answered Kamala Di. He is hungry, answered Kamala Di. Amaji asked Kamala Di to give him bread and milk. That old lady told to Kamala Di to give him bread and milk. The dog was very hungry. Yes, the dog was very hungry, no? So, you give bread and milk. Okay. He lapped up the milk and ate the bread that Kamala Di gave him. What dog does? Lapped up the milk and ate the bread that Kamala Di gave him. Very fastly, the dog was ate the milk and bread. Okay. Then he started jumping around happily. Okay. Then he jumped right onto Amaji's lap. Then dog was jumped right on the Amaji's lap. There he snuggled up and fell asleep. Okay, dog very happily playing to Amaji and snuggle up and fell asleep. And also the dog was asleep. Okay, he likes you, said Kamala Di. Kamala Di asking, he likes you. Kamala Di said to Amaji, the dog likes you, Amaji. Okay. Amaji looked down at the little dog. The old lady looked down at the little dog. Slowly her hands began to move over the little dog's back. Slowly Amaji's hand began to move over the little dog's back. She began to pat him. Okay, Amaji patted the dog. Okay, you are Raja. Amaji said, you are Raja. This is your home now. This is your home now, she whispered. Amaji whispered to the dog, you are Raja. This is your home. Okay, Raja was happy. Raja. Who's that Raja? Yes, the dog. The dog name is Raja. So Raja was happy. From that day onwards, Amaji no longer felt lonely. And from that day onwards, Amaji no longer felt lonely because the dog came and very happily played. No, so Amaji no longer felt lonely. Her house once again was filled with happy sounds. Amaji's house once again was filled with happy sounds and with the joyful brags of Raja, who followed Amaji around the house. Okay. Like that, you have to love all the animals and poor people. Okay, children, you have to love all the things. Okay, ma. in animals or poor people. Okay, anything have to give only love. Okay, next see, tick the correct answers. Amaji sat by the window because she was, options are lonely, lazy, angry. Amaji sat by the window because she was lonely. Okay, she feel lonely, so she sat by the window. Okay. Next, Kamaladi gave the hungry dog. Options are rice, biscuits, or bread and milk. Kamaladi gave the hungry dog bread and milk. Next, third one. Amaji dashed the dog. Options are scolded, patted, thanked. Amaji patted the dog. Okay, next answer the following. What did the hungry dog do after being fed? He started jumping around happily. Answer. He started jumping around happily. Okay, the dog was jumping around happily. Okay, after being fed. Okay, how do you feel when you make someone happy? Yes, I also feel happy. Answer is I also feel happy. And see, what would you do in this situation? Tick 1. You see a puppy on the road. What do you do? Options are give him a biscuit or chase him away or walk away from him. Yes, give him a biscuit. Okay. And second one, your little sister is unwell. You options are do not go to her room at all. Sit with her when you are back from school or leave her and go out to play. Your little sister is unwell. You sit with her when you are back from school. Okay. Third one, your wondered pigeon falls on your balcony. Options are started screaming, leave it on the balcony, inform your parents about the pigeon. A wonder pigeon falls on your balcony, you inform your parents about the pigeon. Okay, next, what do the pictures say? The first letter of each picture will help you. What do the picture says? The first letter of each picture will help you. See the first one. First picture is cat. Cat first letter is C, no? And second one apple. Third one rabbit. Fourth one egg. Okay. And first picture is cat. First letter is C. You write it in the first box C. Next one apple. Apple's first letter A. Write it in the A in second box. Third one rabbit. Rabbit's first letter R. Write it on the write it in R third box. Last one is egg. Egg's first letter E. Write it on E in last box. Okay. See what the word will come? Care. C-A-R-E. Care. Okay, next picture. Second one. Fish orange ribbon. Fish first letter is F. So you have to write F in first box. Second one O. Second one orange. That first letter is O. Write it O in second box. Third one ribbon. First letter is R. Write it in R and last box. So the word is far. Okay. Third picture, table, horse, egg. Table's first letter T. Horse first letter H. Egg's first letter E. Okay. So that word is the. T-H-E. The. Okay. Next fourth one, orange, lion, duck. Orange first letter O. Write it an O in first box. Lion first letter L. Write it L in second box. Third one duck. Duck's first letters D. Write a D in last box. So that word is old. Okay. And now write the words on the blank below. Now write the words on the blank below. See what the word you are getting. Care for the old. Care for the old. Super, no? Nice. Okay, care for the old. You are getting the words. Okay, let's see. Let's do and learn. Choose words from the box. See that box, that is choose. Write them in the balloons below. You write, you write, you have to write in the balloons. Okay. I help Papa. What are you helping in your father? Wash the car. Yes, wash the car. Okay. I help Mummy. I help Mummy lay the table. Okay. I help my little sister finish her drawing. Okay. Okay. Next F. Get a potted plant, place it where there it is enough air and sunlight. Water it every day, watch it grow bigger. Your love and care will make it healthy. Okay, get a potted plant, place it enough air and sunlight, water it every day. You have to water it every day and watch it grow bigger. Children, you watch it, the flat part, you have to watch it grow bigger. Your love and care will make it healthy. Also love and care in that plant. Okay, that is make it healthy. Okay, children, that's all today. Read and practice well in this one words. Okay, ma. Thank you, dears.